Yo, what's up, guys? I haven't made a video in a while, but here we go. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing today. So beginning of the season, and we're servicing the 40-foot fifth wheel, and what I like to do every season is I take the tires off. Just jack it up like this, right under the axle. Not putting too much weight on it, just enough to raise it, because as you can see, I have, the jacks down, so it's holding all the weight of the RV on those jacks. And all I'm doing with my floor jack is lifting the axle up just a hair, enough to get the tire out from the ground. So what I like to do is, I just took the tire covers off, and we inspect the tires all the way around. Obviously it's a little dirty, we're going to clean them up and put some 303 on, like Armor All basically. Preserves the rubber, so we'll do a real good inspection. And as you can see, I got the Saloons, and they are a great tire. It is the S637. So what I basically do is I take the tire off, and all of these have, these are called wet bolts, and they're basically have a Zerk fitting attached to the bolt, and we just kind of pump these up with grease and check everything out, make sure it looks good. There's also one behind here. We could pull this off, set it up there so we don't lose it. And you can see it's got a lot of grease in there, which is good. And the Zerk fitting will get a little bit in there as well. I don't think that it's going to need a lot, but we'll put it in. We'll use the same type of grease in here. These outside ones, I like to use the marine grease. It's just my preference. I go through and I clean them. All I did was get a little bit of brake cleaner and spray it on, wipe them down. I did this side because I got the tire off. After I do this side, I'll put the tire back on, and you can see that's what it looks like before. So yeah, that's what I'm up to today. So definitely recommend you do this. All 4 tires on this rig. It's definitely something you want to do for yearly maintenance. All right, any questions, hit me up in the comments, and I'll answer. Have a good one. Take care.